Today we will sketch Radha Rani. The story of Radha Rani is deeply intertwined with the life and legends of Lord Krishna. Radha Rani is considered to be the supreme goddess of love and devotion in Hinduism, and her love for Lord Krishna is celebrated as the purest and most selfless form of devotion. According to Hindu mythology, Radha Rani was born in a village called Barsana near Mathura, in present-day Uttar Pradesh, India. She was the daughter of Vrishbhanu and Kirti, and she was known for her extraordinary beauty, charm, and grace. As a young girl, Radha developed an intense love for Lord Krishna, who lived in the neighboring village of Vrindavan. Their love story is considered to be an eternal and divine romance. Radha's love for Krishna was so deep and pure that she became the personification of devotion itself. The love between Radha and Krishna is often symbolized through the concept of radhakrishna as the divine union of the feminine and masculine aspects of God. Their love is described as transcendental and spiritual, going beyond the worldly relationships. Krishna and Radha spent their childhood and early youth together in the pastoral setting of Vrindavan. They would often play the flute and dance together, expressing their love through divine music and dance. The Ras Leela, the celestial dance of Krishna and the gopis, also includes Radha as the most beloved and cherished gopi among all. Despite their deep love for each other, Radha and Krishna were not married in the conventional sense. Krishna's life took him to various adventures and responsibilities, and Radha Rani remained devoted to him even in his absence. She is considered to be the embodiment of selfless devotion and love. The love story of Radha and Krishna serves as an allegory, symbolizing the divine union of the individual soul with the supreme divine. Radha's love for Krishna represents the ultimate surrender and devotion of the soul to God, transcending the barriers of worldly attachments. In Hindu traditions, Radha Rani is revered and worshipped along with Lord Krishna, especially by devotees who follow the path of bhakti. Her devotion and love for Krishna are seen as an example of the highest form of spiritual love and a way to attain union with the divine. The story of Radha Rani continues to inspire millions of devotees, reminding them of the power of love, devotion, and the eternal bond between the individual soul and the divine.